Okay guys, welcome to the SolidCAM course. In that course, we're going to talk about how can we handle surface high-speed toolpath by and using the as a technology side, of course, I mean using the linear and constant Z options. Okay, I'm going to click on parallel cuts and constant Z options. After that, we can organize our coordinate system. This is my and make one and position one options. This is my geometry. I can select and that surface, and that surface. Okay, after that I don't need to select any and 2D boundary. We can turn to tool section. This is my tool, 10 millimeters with 1 millimeter corner radius. After that we can turn to, of course, level section, and as a level we can organize it retract distance, safe distance, and exit safety distance. Okay, let me show you. And this is my and retract and lead in and lead out lead out distance here. Okay, I can easily organize it by using the level and step here. Okay, so as a tool parameters, we can organize and minimum step over process. This is 5 millimeter. This is also organize our surface quality. We can also organize our sorting process. This is cutting method. It's used as a zigzag mode or other stuff. I can turn to the tool control. This is my tool control options. I try to keep my tool down. After that, we can turn to the link process here. So we can also see that approach and retract. This is from clearance area and back to the clearance area options. This is my clearance and safety place. We can also see that some links options. We can also see this some small gap size here. According to my tool diameter, 20 mm and 20% of my tool diameter, it is organized. And for example, we can also see that that's kind of gap here. This is my gap, for example. I can and keep moving with my tool as if there is some surface here. So we can use the small gap process here. Okay, this is the default lead in and lead out options. We can also see and some and degree here. This is my arc degree. This is my arc swap degree. And we can also see arc diameter. This is also calculated by tool diameter. And I can also write my different feed rate here. Okay, for example, my feed rate 1000 maybe. I can use the almost 30 and millimeter divided by min and as a feed rate. Okay, so this is of course lead out, so that's why I'm writing 100% of my feed rate. It's also organizable. I can turn to the check process. This is my clearance and area. I can organize it. This is my check surface. Actually it is not necessary, but and that's kind of stuff I can easily say that nice to have, and that's kind of and options. We can also talk about warping process, multi-passes, depth cut, and rotate, and trusted, and stock definition, and mirror options or other stuff. So that's fine. After that, we can calculate our and toolpath. After that, we can create our C code like this. Okay, that's fine. You can send that C code to CNC, and you're gonna see the same and toolpath in your CNC. Thank you very much for listening to me. This is and SolidCAM constant Z options by using the Surface High Speed toolpath. Take care and keep in touch, please.